Whether you love to cook or find it tedious, there's something out there for your cooking needs. Even if it's just about keeping your coffee warm or making the perfect avocado toast, we're here to show you some incredible kitchen gadgets that you'll want to get your hands on. You don't have to worry about making meal prep easy anymore with these cool, sleek devices. It's time to upgrade your kitchen and your lifestyle with these 12 coolest kitchen gadgets. Number 12. EMBER Temperature Control Smart Mug. This high-tech mug can put a regular thermos to shame. We may try to keep our coffee warm in a thermos, but we know it still goes cold after a while. But not anymore. With the EMBER Temperature Control Smart Mug, you can keep your drinks hot at all times, and at the exact temperature you choose. You can set it to the temperature you want using the app. It has a 1.5 hour battery life and notifies you when your drink reaches your desired temperature. And don't worry about it being too much work, because it's so high tech. You can just wash it in the sink like any regular old mug and place it on its charging coaster. No more lukewarm coffee to worry about. Number 11. Silo. It's such a waste when you have to throw away food that's sat in the fridge too long and gone bad. Now, you can keep your food fresh longer with Silo, the one-touch vacuum system. Air is good for us humans, but it's not so great for food. It's what helps food decompose faster. Silo lets you seal food in a vacuum to keep it fresh 5 times longer than normal. That's not all. Silo is a smart device that has Alexa built in. It comes with a smart scale for your food and HQ speakers. It has Wi-Fi enabled and even gives you spoilage notifications. You won't be opening a random container to discover rotten vegetables with this cool device. Number 10. ROTIMATIC. Making flatbreads was never this easy. The ROTIMATIC pipes out fresh, hot flatbreads for you, and all it needs is some flour and water. Whether you want to make pizza crusts, tortillas, or Indian flatbread, this thing has you covered. They slide out hot and puffed, ready to be eaten with some curry or rolled into a burrito. The ROTIMATIC is an economical tool that your kitchen definitely needs. It's economical and comes with loads of upgrades. So if you're tired of having to order your favorite Indian or Mexican meals, then you may want to consider buying this cool gadget. Number 9. COSORI Multi-Cooker. You may not need an army of pots and pans for cooking anymore once you have the COSORI Multi-Cooker. This versatile machine takes care of almost all your cooking needs and is super easy and super safe to use. You can fry your chicken or slow cook it, or even brown it or boil it too. This thing can cook rice, bake a cake, and even make yogurt. Pretty cool, right? The COSORI Multi-Cooker comes with 11-in-1 functions. It has a removable rubber gasket for the lid that keeps the heat in, and the lid in place. Not to mention, heat-friendly handles that allow you to pull the pot out with ease and place it in your dining table. And when you're done cooking, you can just pull out the pot and the lid and pop them in the dishwasher. It's perfect for dorm rooms or just anyone looking to clear out all the pots and pans they've collected and replace them with this radical cooker. Number 8. Avocado Slicer. If you're obsessed with avocados like the rest of us, then this gadget is a must-have. Designed specifically for all your avocado needs, the avocado slicer has a rounded blade that lets you slice through the fruit with ease. Squeeze and twist to take the pit out. Then, with the blade, slice and dice as you please. The flexible scoop works for any size and scoops out the avocado. Now, you can spread it on toast or make some delicious guac. Number 7. Ulu Knife. This peculiar looking knife boasts of an award-winning ergonomic design. The Ulu knife has a really sharp blade that comes with a safety sheath, and also has a non-stick feature. Use it as a cleaver to slice that delicious garlic, or as a chopping device for your basil. Its robust design makes it really easy to use, and it's also dishwasher safe. It even comes in different sizes and colors. Number 6. SAVEL. When you place that unused lemon slice back in the fridge, you know it's gonna go bad before you get to use it. SAVEL is here to take care of that problem. Now, you can save leftover fruits and food without needing containers. You can place that slice of lemon or half orange in your fridge without worrying about its freshness or its scent permeating the whole fridge. SAVEL covers the food and holds on in place better than a container would. Just turn it to your desired shape and it'll hold the fruit in place and cover the cut area. It bends to cover the food. No more lemons going to waste. Number 5. Spread that butter knife. Tired of trying to spread hard chunks of cold butter on your bread? But heating the knife over the stove is too much hassle and you can't leave the butter sitting outside? This cool new gadget takes care of all of that for you, and it doesn't require batteries or any heat. Spread that butter knife is made with a special conducting material that takes the heat from your hand and uses that to smoothly spread your butter. It has a serrated edge that makes carving butter easier. It's completely safe around children and dishwasher friendly. No more cold, hard butter in the mornings. Number 4. Automatic pan stir. Some sauces require extra attention, not to mention arm strength. Rather than monotonously stand over your pot, stirring like a zombie, you can get yourself this automated pot stirrer. Just place it in a pot of simmering or low heat sauce that needs continuous stirring, and it'll do your work for you. Now, you can save time and pay attention to other things while your sauce is being stirred. Number 3. Dash Safe Slice Mandoline. If you love to cook, you probably know what a hassle it can be to slice all those vegetables to the right size. The Dash Safe Slice Mandoline is a must-have for cooking enthusiasts who want evenly cut vegetables. Pull the legs out until they click into place. Then go ahead and slice, julienne, dice, or cut your vegetables however you like. It has 30 different preset cuts for varying thicknesses, and 14 different kinds of blades for all your cutting needs. It's safe enough even for kids to use, so no one can hold back those little chefs anymore. The food catcher at the end makes sure there's no mess either. Make cooking faster and easier with this convenient gadget. Number 2. Prepped Pack. Prepped Pack is not just about lunch, it's about a healthy lifestyle. This sleek lunchbox comes with elegant glass containers and smart magnetic cutlery. But rather than just making your lunch look fancy, it takes meal prep to a whole new level. The app lets you plan your meals and teaches you how to meal prep for a whole week in an hour. It's filled with healthy meal plans that are designed to make enough food to fit into the lunch boxes, so there's no wastage. You can join a community of people who use the Prepped Plan lunchbox and plan their meals. Exchange recipes and share your own personalized meal plans. This is the smart lunchbox that's missing in your healthy lifestyle. Number 1. Pancake Bot. Kids can get pretty excited when there are pancakes for breakfast. But what can make them more excited is pancake art. The Pancake Bot prints pancakes according to the design you choose. Whether it's abstract designs or cartoon characters, it carefully traces the batter onto the pan to make delicious art. It's really easy to use and has an SD card slot for your custom designs. You can even pause and resume printing as you like. It's easy to clean, and the user manual comes with batter recipes too. It can't get more delicious than combining breakfast and art. Alright, comment below which of these kitchen gadgets you want the most. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.